Guys, maganda to. Classic na boxing match to. Ang ating panonoorin. So, ang maglalaban dito is yung kababayan natin na si Nonito Donaire laban kay Naoya Inoue ng Japan. So, pangalawang laban na nila to mga guys. Rematch nila ni Nonito Donaire. So, panoorin na natin to guys. Classic na classic to. At magandang laban to. Medyo makakatagal ng kaunti dito si Nonito Donaire. Let's go.
Receive my instructions in the dressing room. You know what we're here for. Remember to protect yourself at all times. When you touch gloves now, man, you're boxing the bell. God bless you both.
The wait is over. It's Ricardo Suma alongside Hall of Famer Andre Ward, and it's Donaire coming out fast with the left hook. Both fighters said they needed to be better than they were the first time around, but for Donaire, big difference here, the gloves that are being worn by both fighters. They're puncher's gloves. The first fight, they featured winning gloves. Land that right hand, which hurt Inoue on several occasions in the first fight, and sometimes gets overlooked because of his beautiful left hook. As Inoue is
dito mga guys, may edad na talaga si Nonito Donaire dito. Nasa 40 na mahigit. Ang edad naman ni Naoya Inoue is nasa 20 plus pa lang. So, ang layo ng age gap nilang dalawa. So, sa experience lamang na lamang si Nonito Donaire. Pero pag sa stamina, kumbaga mahina-hina na yung 40 plus. Pa-retire na yung ganong edad eh. Si Inoue, possible pa lang to. So prime ni Naoya Inoue ito eh. Yung edad na yan, yung 20 plus. Tuloy na natin.
land a check hook here with a minute 15 seconds left in
So
round
maganda kondisyon si Nonito Donaire dito. Ang ganda ng build ng katawan niya. Match sila talaga. Sa edad lang nagkakalayo. Ang layo na ng age gap. At pinasapol siya dun. Sapol. Nakatama din. Counter. Palitan sila ng counter, mga guys. Counter punching. Punch.
This fight can change with one punch at any moment. You won't want
Solid yun. Yung mga tama na yun. Yung counter punch ni Nonito Donaire, yung kaliwa na yun. Kahit yung jab na yun, napaka-ano yun.
Either fighter.
Ang tulis tumama nun. Nasa full din siya.
Because the fighters are still warming up.
Uy! Natumba. Knockdown yung kababayan natin. Round 1 pa lang mga guys. Na uppercut. Tatapusin na ni Nonito Donaire. Ni Naoya Inoue. You know, uppercut guys. Hindi.
We've been promoting this fight with. They both possess it.
Straight.
A little bit different.
Straight punch.
In that first round. The good thing.
Save by double si kababayan natin mga guys. Sa round 1. So, round 2 na tayo. Round 2 na.
For Daenerys, he has great recuperative powers. Somehow, some way, he's able to eat those big shots and keep on coming, but he can't take too many more of those.
Ang ganda ng kombinasyon na yan pag tumama mga guys. Ay! Yan na. Umiinit na yung hapon na to. You know? Nasa pole mga guys. Nasa pool si Nonito Donaire na naman. Grabe nga. Sa pool? Sa pool si Nonito doon. Yan na, corner. Wala na. Na-corner na si ating kababayan, Nonito Donaire. Tapos makikita natin, namula na yung mukha ni Nonito Donaire suntok. Yun o. Daplis lang yun ha. Nagwabal na siya. Yan na. Diyan magaling si Inoue pagka alam niya nang humina na yung kalaban. Ayun na. Tapos, talo yung kababayan natin mga guys. Round 2. Round 2 mga guys. Talo si Nonito Donaire. Pangalawa na yan. Rematch. Una, talo si Nonito Donaire. Pangalawa, talo ulit. So, natunghayan natin yung laban nila. Ano na yan? Rematch na yan ni Nonito Donaire at ni Inoue. So, talo ulit si Nonito Donaire. Siguro sa ano na rin niya, sa edad niya. Malayo na kasi yung age gap. Nasa 40 plus na yan si Nonito Donaire. Paritaire na.